boys, what is up here? We are playing a game of Elise in 2v2v2v2v2 arenas. See what we get. I want that, I want that, I want that. And not really. That's Anvil Elise. That'd be kind of cool. Fuck it. Let's see all the way. This one. Do we have an attack speed one yet? Ah, no, I'll just go for this.
Every web, a
So I'm doing anvils. Firefoxy. Oh my god, this guy has cannon fodder.
watch them dance.
Another stun.
Dangling by a thread.
What the? It didn't hit ye?
My true beauty is
Oh my god, fuck. Oh my god, that's so fucking sad. Nice. Who needs items? Oh yes, give me that. That's a few free anvils right there. Anvil Elise. This is gonna be interesting, I think. Oh my god. What a rat. What a rat. Oh well. Ooh, 60 AP. 60 AP or 25 AD, 25 AP. I feel like both are like really good. Wait, let me see what kind of teams they got. Honestly, I think both are fine. Also go for the haste and the attack speed. Let's do that. Get that haste attack speed. There's two E's. And Alistar. I think Alistar E is gonna do well. Because the Alistar can peel pretty well. See what goes on. Get him, little spider. Missed.
I know the true
Some damage. We have 121 AD. I missed. I fucked up his combo, it's fine. Oh damn, I got melted down so fast. It's actually kind of wild. Eh, the gold, I'll take it. Oh, oh, wait. Oh. Imagine if she wins that. That would be so wild. Nah, she doesn't win that. Sure. That was almost really well played. Damn. This is a hard choice, bro. I feel like I want to go for the lightning rod. Because we can potentially get a lot of ability haste. Okay, I guess. Mostly from all the Anvil games I played, the best one I've ever gotten was the AutoCast game. So now I kind of feel like replicating that. Is this? Oh shit. I like how he tanked my my lightning rod.
I have refined taste.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. Damn, my lightning rod didn't come out fast enough. Oh, fuck me, he says. Wait, did I? Hi, bro. Hmm. Alright, let's see. Two random stats. Two random stats. Ability power. Max speed haste. We have 3 rerolls left. 3 rerolls. The last time I played Elise, I had a little bit of everything. I had Jeweled Gauntlet. Oh no, actually, no. I don't remember. I had like 5 different things. One was like parasitic. No, not parasitic. The other one. The one that uses your enemy's augments. Auf Wiedersehen. But this guy is 1, I can't fucking see him though. So I can't keep the fucking plant. Silas went to 1 HP. And then he just became full again.
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
That's some BS. Symbiotic mutation. No, symbiotic parasitic mutation. Yeah. Symbiotic is the one that gets from your teammate, and then parasitic mutation is the one that gets from your enemy. I had the enemy one. So like there were a lot of like prismatic augments in the game. So I was like, hell yeah. Oh my god, transmute chaos. I'm gonna do a roll or 2 here. Booglets? No. Quantum compute? You know. I'll pick up the quantum. We only have 55 ability here so far, but that's gonna change very soon. Ouch. Jesus, man, what the fuck is this damage? 1,300 true damage from fucking items? What do you mean? How the fuck did he deal 1.3k through damage with Reaper Stole? How? The damage dealt to champions is just 681. Because fucking Borg doesn't deal through damage. It's physical damage. So how the fuck did I take 1.3k through damage from items? Like what? %70%! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, that's huge. Let's go. We have 173 ability Ace now. Oh my god, beautiful. Beautiful. That guy gone. That guy gone. Love to see it. Damn, he actually yeeted me on the other side. What the fuck? Wild. Oh, wild. 6 seconds cooldown on lightning rod now. Our cooldown on quantum should be around 4 point... Wait, 3.7 seconds? Is it? Fuck yeah. Give me that gold. Give me that goddamn gold. Attack speed and magic penetration. We're getting 850 gold per round now for free. That is beautiful. Static shift, Borg or Yuntile? Man, this all kind of sucks, huh? I feel like you shouldn't have gone for a Borg. They don't really have tanks except for Alistar. Maybe Thresh and Renekton. Maybe. Yeah, Quantum does seem like that, huh? I mean, yeah, it is actually. It just doesn't go off when there's no enemies nearby enough. The range on it is kind of awkward. And I missed. I'm trying to get there, but I can't. Bro. I had such a hard time getting there, holy shit. I'm okay with cowards. I think Vi would be. So much CC, dude. Holy crap. Alright, let's see. What do we get here? Firefox, Firefox, Firefox. No, parasitic. Could go parasitic maybe. Could also go for adapt if I want to be full AP. Everything on Elise scales with AP, right? Even... Yeah, I think this is a good idea. We'll just go adapt here. Get a bunch of AP. Get a bit more haste. 580 AP now.
I know what love is.
I'm gonna keep improving. Oh my god, I can't fucking move, dude. Can you die, please, sir? Thank you. Thank you. That was a little bit scary. Attack speed, ability haste. Ability haste, might as well. Random stats. Attack speed, lethality. 34 AP. That's a lot of AP. Let's grab it. 32 AP, 20% attack speed. AP. I think we need some burst. Wish you could see my spiderlings attack. Deal 1000 damage now with you. Not bad. Symphony of War Goliath. I'm gonna have to land an E on the E.
Watch them dance.
Nice. Nice. We poppin', boys. Omnivamp, yes please. Random stats. Random stats. Get an extra reroll as well. Ability power, attack speed, ability haste, swiftness. Beautiful.
Beauty is beneath.
Beautiful. We have 43 Omnivamp now as well. We have 300 ability haste. Quantum computing kind of popping now. Pressure neck them. I can stank as well. Is he immune? It's okay, we just melt this guy down. Nutty. Oh no, my guy died. Nice. Oh, dude. Yeah, fuck it, I'm going for this. I'm saying no to magic pen. Wait, what? Where am I? Oh, here. Oh, never mind. I'm not. Dude, we're gonna have a pretty wild amount of Wait, does it not increase my tankiness as well? Gain size, health, attack damage, ability power over time. And with adapt, that should be able to... I can't believe we haven't gotten any crit yet. Alright, we have 394 ability haste now. On to basically 2 seconds. Basically 2 seconds. I'm a little bit scared of the Nocturne though. Especially since I have Raid Boss and he has fucking Reaper Stole. Oh my god! Look at the quantum computing! Dude, quantum computing basically killed them. That's crazy, dude. Oh my god, that gold is insane. I mean, I guess I'll grab some health. I don't think I've grabbed any health yet. Okay, now we're gonna get like so much fucking gold. We're gonna get like 1,700 gold around for free. Quantum computing literally killed them. Blender Elise. These two can't kill me. My stats are going through the roof. We also have Omnivamp, so like all I have to do is spider form and this guy's dead. I'm stuck! Just kidding! Yeah. Look at the gold I'm getting here, holy shit. I guess we might as well go for some crit. Max out that crit real quick. 2 health shards, nice. I mean... we don't really need more cooldown. Yeah, we're good. We're good. 1.5k AP. Have a dab. He doesn't even want to come close anymore. Damn you, stupid killer. Come, Lucian. Are they protesting? Where are they going? Is that a protest? Boom! And he gone, Jesus Christ. Doing, Lucian? What you doing? 60 AP, 20 magic pen, 2 random shards. What is the counter to this? Guess we win here. Choose power. 1.9k AP. Can't really do much. Can't even do shit in your raid boss team. GG, well played. Oh my god, that was a wild game, boys. Holy crap. We had so many anvils. That was beautiful. GG, well played. Hope you guys enjoyed that game.